Today we are going to turn your 2D logo into a 3D logo like on the screen here. Here are two examples of how we're going to do this easily here in Final Cut Pro. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you will find plenty of plugins. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but all in all, they will help you in your Final Cut Pro journey and your workflow. Now let's get right into the video for today. Okay, so today's effect will be very, very simple and straightforward. This effect, you're going to need a transparent logo. So you're gonna have a 2D transparent logo, and the goal of this is to make it 3D, and we're gonna do that easily here right now, and I'm gonna show you how. So once you download the preset that's in the description, it will be under your effects. In my case, it's gonna be under B3 Studios plugins, and it's gonna be the B3 extrude logo. So I'm just gonna drag and drop that on. And as you can tell already, it is made my effect 3D, but it's kind of blurry. So we're just gonna make some adjustments here in the inspector panel right here, and we're just gonna adjust our parameters. So if you want the angle to be different, we can go ahead and change it right here. So I'm just gonna go on the outside right here, and that looks pretty good right here to 100. We can change the distance. I don't want it that wide, so I'm gonna put it about right here to 55. You can also use this back size feature right here, and it allows it to actually look very extruded, and it gives it that real 3D look. So you can kind of mess around with that. We're gonna change the brightness. We can change the brightness if we want. Leave it right there. Kind of mess with it and try to get the best kind of result that you can. And yeah, guys, you just make the adjustments that you need to make, and here's your 3D logo. Like I said, guys, you guys can use this, and you can actually, because a lot of people need their logos generated from 2D to 3D, so you can actually go on Fiverr or Upwork, or one of those sites that charges people to convert their 2D logos to 3D. So this is a much needed service. So guys, take advantage of this plugin and use it to the best of your ability. That is it for today. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, please like the video, consider subscribing, because we will be coming out with a lot more content like this to help you out in your Final Cut Pro journey, and just to level up your skill set in Final Cut Pro as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much. All right, bye.